Isn't that amazing? So many women embracing this brand. I'm sure they are loving it. I mean, it's such a confidence that you see when people are comfortable in their own skin, and that is what NoAge provides them. But I'll talk a little bit more about NoAge, like you said. Age Reflect, a study that was done with 1,000 women, including India, and that gave us insight that loss of firmness and contour definition really adds years to your perceived age. And that insight actually led us to do a study beyond what we actually could think of. That went to a place called Stockholm, and there is our Skincare Research Institute, where all the scientists are actually working on these products. They spent about 7 years on this product, and what they actually led to is this breakthrough technology, Esparto Lift. This helps in restoring the skin bounce, and that is clinically proven. And like you said, you know, what our products actually are all about, they are always ethically tested. We do not give any claims without clinically proven results. So all the results with Esparto Lift are actually clinically proven, and what it says is 70% more bounce in just 12 weeks. The two powerful technologies that NoAge comes with is Esparto Lift, which of course targets the firmness, and it is supported by incredibly potent natural plant stem cell technology, which works on reduction of wrinkles. So there is always a combination of nature and science in Oriflame products, and that's what we take our promise forward in NoAge as well. This new range, NoAge Ultimate Lift, in Oriflame skincare portfolio, has this revolutionary technology in it. And what it says is that you have to use skincare routine, and that is what Oriflame recommends to its customers all the time. Usage of youth-enhancing skincare routine. It's a very simple routine. It comes in 4 steps. So the first step is cleanse, which includes cleansing and toning, and followed by eyes, serum, and moisturization for day and night. And NoAge skincare comes with all these 6 products together to give you the best results on your skin. What it tells you is, like I said earlier, that every product is clinically proven. And why should somebody use 6 products versus 1 or 2 products? It is clinically proven that you get 7 times better results when you use a full skincare routine of NoAge Ultimate Lift versus 1 or 2 products. And that is very important for people to understand. So what makes us unique? Yes, of course, it's driven by 7 years of research. It's driven by science, which is done by our R&D, and a lot of Swedish universities. Collaborations has also happened behind this. And it also has a perfect balance of nature and science with these 2 technologies that I spoke. But the most important thing is that it focuses on sign and not the age. Because what we learned from this Age Reflect study is that 4 out of 5 women do not look their age. And you know why? Because of their skin appearance. How is their skin health? That really adds years to your age. And that is what is the basis of NoAge. So it's not an age. Age is just an indication. It's your ears, how you wear them. So that's actually about Ultimate Lift story, and it goes back to a lot of research and credibility that we have.
Thank you very much, Kavita. Surprising products.
Absolutely. So we've heard and seen the product, but I'm sure the way they've been describing it, all 3 of them, with so much of excitement, because it's absolutely a new scientific breakthrough for us. I'm sure you guys are eager to know more about it. So the floor is now open for Q&A. You can go ahead with any questions that you have, and 3 of us are here. They're here.
There's one there.
Hi, Sonali. Hello. Ariman Raj. I have three questions actually for you. The first one is, you've been the brand ambassador for Oriflame, not for 1 year, but for 5 years. Still, we get a press release which does not have a picture.
How nice is that? It's a real woman there.
It's a real woman, but you're the brand ambassador for
So
the
what?
brand
Our
in
brand
Mumbai.
ambassadors are the real women. And those are the ones who are going to use the
You're the
products.
real woman
So
for
you
us
see the
because
result
you
there.
are India. You're
Sorry?
representing India for us.
Can we have real Indian women the next time?
Yes.
On our
course.
catalog?
Mr. Joanne.
Of course.
Thank you for that. We'll see to it that we do that.
Thank you very
Definitely.
much.
The second question is, you have been promoting Novage now, and at the same time you have Bollywood actresses who have always believed that aging gracefully is the best policy in life. You have a Jaya Bachchan, you have a Shabana Azmi. How do you relate yourself to aging gracefully versus the product you're endorsing?
I think that's part of aging gracefully because taking care of your skin and your body is a part of your life. The way you would go to a gym and exercise to get your body fit. I always learned this lesson. I always say I learned this lesson a bit late, but all the girls here will agree. Muscles are your best friend. That's what is going to keep you going. And so the way I will work for my muscles to keep my body looking good, I would work on my skin to keep it looking good. And I think you must do that to feel good about yourself, to look good about yourself, and put that smile on your face.
Fine, thanks.
I think that is the graceful way to do it.
Excellent. The last question is that you've got your predecessors whom you've worked together at the same time when you were in Bollywood, which could be a Madhuri Dixit, you have a Karisma Kapoor, and a Raveena Tandon. What actually stalls your foray back into Bollywood, and we haven't seen you on screen for so long?
Aging gracefully.
Something more on that. What exactly is that tempts you to come back to Bollywood, or what exactly
Hasn't
is something...
tempted me as yet to come back in comeback sense. I mean, I don't know. Everybody
Yeah.
has a different definition of comeback.
You've done television.
I don't think I went anywhere. I'm
You've done
very much in
television,
the
yeah.
public eye. I think every phase that I have been in, pictures have been out there. I have been right out there. I did television. Whenever we talk about television, I did television just after Sarfarosh and Hum Saath Saath Hain. It was a show for Star Plus called Kya Masti Kya Dhoom when nobody was doing television. But I loved the show and I did it then. So for me, it has never been about who does or if somebody else is doing it or not. I've always done what I felt like doing. I come from a very middle-class Maharashtrian background with nobody in films. So it's a shocking place for me to be in where my family was concerned, but here I am, and I'm glad I came in here. So I've never been the follower. And so when I feel like it, I will be there. If I like the script, if it kind of makes me want to get out of my comfort zone, go out there and do it, I will do it. I will never say no, but nothing has tempted me to do that and come out there and put myself out there where films are concerned. But you never know about tomorrow.
Yeah. One last question. Since you're promoting Novage, what are the 3 most fascinating tips you would like to give any Mumbaikar girl who's a housewife? 3 tips.
You think I'm a housewife? Is that why you're asking me? I think I would... I really respect that term. My mother was a housewife, and I think she did a great job with me. And I think it's the most difficult job to do. I feel when I come out here and do certain other jobs, I'm taking my time out because that's the real job and it's the most difficult job. Having said that, I would say find that little time in between your housework to find that little time for yourself is very, very important. Be it for your body, for your skin, take care of yourself. It's always going to make you feel better. It's going to make you feel happier, which is the most important thing. Because I always feel a happy wife, a happy housewife, as you said, and a happy mother makes a happy family too. So, and Mumbai is a place where it is a stressful life, a lot of pollution. So taking care of your skin, priority, taking care of yourself, a priority. Once that falls into place, I feel everything else falls into place. For example, my mother wouldn't eat unless her children or her husband and everybody in the family is eaten. For me, it's the other way around. I eat first because I know I need to run behind my child and I will get irritated and angry if I don't have the food inside me, because that's me. So everybody has their own way of dealing with it. I deal with it that way. So I feel as soon as I take care of myself, I can take better care of the people around me.
And you could add Oriflame.
Hi.
Yes.
You can become independent with Oriflame in one of the most important markets for India, which is Mumbai. So.
Absolutely.
हाय सोनाली मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि आप अभी भी इतनी मतलब ब्यूटीफुल और खूबसूरत दिखती हैं
Thank you.
तो ये मतलब आप इसका राज थोड़ा बताइए कि डेली रूटीन में आप क्या करती हैं कि आप अभी भी इतनी खूबसूरत दिखती हैं जैसा पहले थी वैसे
हम बिल्कुल सामने खड़े हैं नोवेज के और